Well, if you haven't guessed why we started this secondary channel by now, this is why. Thank you to Sony for sending us a sample of this brand new wireless speaker. This is, Sony always has these kind of names, SRS-XB13. You don't have to remember that, but just remember it is a Sony wireless speaker. This is a very recent model, and it is waterproof and dustproof and shockproof, and it has a 16-hour battery life. They also says it has a Sony sound diffusion processor, which achieves rich, spacious sound even on compact speakers. What that actually means to your eardrums when you're out at the beach is something that remains to be seen, that we will find out in the full review. Opening the top up, it looks like you do have a little bit of a schematic of how this comes with a strap. So how it actually straps into itself, it looks like it can. In the promotional material, they had it hanging from a beach umbrella and stuff like that. Their packaging is so nice. Look at the way they kind of lay out this packaging and the kind of levels you go down. You go to the insert cardboard, and then you go, oh, do you have any questions? You read that, and then you read the wireless speaker information and reference guide, and then you get the speaker itself. There should be USB cable in here. Yeah, it is USB-C, so it's a recent kind of thing. This isn't some cookie cutter dime a dozen alley special with a micro USB. This is an actual Sony product, and it is of high quality. This strap is really nice, just holding it for the first time, and it looks like it does use, oh cool, that might be, no, I thought it was lightweight aluminum at first, so it looks like you just take that off like that, strap it around something, and away you go. We'll show you this in the full review, of course. It has numerous buttons on the side that curve around, so you have your power, you have your Bluetooth, you have your play and pause, you have up and down, and certain things will do certain things if you long press. For example, this looks like it does pair, and that one does charge, but that might be referring to the actual LED indicators down below, because it's laid out a little bit confusing, but overall it is not much of a learning curve. There's only 5 buttons, and you do have some space here, so they are kind of promoting bass in this unit, and bass typically needs a box or a canister or something where the air can move, so they actually do give you an adequate amount of space right there. And it looks like the speaker is a decent 3-inch speaker, so it does have some good width to it, and you get the Sony branding on there. This is built into the tool design. It is not stuck on there. It is definitely raised, and it's cast from that with this on it. It's not some white label they just put a sticker on. Sony doesn't do that. They make things themselves for the most part. So this strap is very heavy, which is really nice. It feels very durable. This is even has an inner lining where the hole is. That's really nice. This is everything that you get in the box with the brand new Sony wireless speaker SRS-XB13. Don't worry about memorizing that. It is difficult to keep up with Sony's names of things. It has always been something they've done from day one when they got into consumer electronic products that people can get their hands on, and they needed to categorize things a little bit easier. Thanks for watching Goody Reader Tech.